New contracts were off 8.8% this report as days on the market before a seller goes under contract rose to 47 days. It's Friday, August 8th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The list sales price also slid backwards by 14.9% year over year, while more inventory continued to hit the market. There are 2,189 units for sale this report at a median $425,000 list price. 135 properties are coming soon. Homes going under contract rose to 181 in 44 days. 167 homes settled at 96.5% list to sold ratio, with days before contract rising to 31 days and a median $365,000. Homes for lease rose to 125 at a median $2,000 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, August 8th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. I'll see you next week. Take care.